Welcome back, Ollie Traveler fam. We're so glad you could join us. And if this is your first time visiting us, well, welcome aboard. Well, sail with us as we go from Mykonos to Athens to Crete. It's going to be a fun ride.
So we're down in Athens, and honestly, it's like any other city center. So I'll tour you guys around so you can see all the modernized stores. There we go. They have a TGIFs. In H&M, wild. In the middle of city center is a chapel. Then there's a Benetton, Berkshire, a Birkenstock sandals, Mac, Guess. So yeah, sort of feels like you're downtown Manhattan somewhere.
All right, guys, so we made it to Athens, Greece. We had a wonderful time there, but let me start out by saying I apologize. Somehow my footage got corrupted and I lost all of my footage. So the only thing I could actually salvage was some of the still shots of Athens as we drove around on our bus tour, taking a look at the sights and the sounds of the city, some of the government buildings, some of the statues and monuments. You'll just have to trust we did have a great time in Athens, and I would definitely go back there again. Don't know what happened to my footage, but that's the way it goes, I guess. Well, good morning, everybody. Today we are starting out extremely early. We are now at our last port of call. This is day number 8. So we are starting to get that very sad feeling of the trip starting to come to a close. But you can see we are in Chania right now, and we have a very early excursion this morning. So we are going into do a excursion called the Taste of Crete. So we will see you all there. Hope you all having a good day. Right, Mrs. Ollie style?
Yep.
Okay, here we go.
A lot of plants, except from feta cheese, but it's an whole breeze. And this is very common. We have a lot of beautiful, clear, and it's also constantly. Crete are not very happy with this, but it is what it is. So, I don't know what you expected from the inner land. I hope you did not expect the white houses with the blue shutters and doors. It's private use or Airbnb or very small hotels. And a lot of people the last year we have a complete new tendency of tourism, not only mass tourism in the big hotels, but in the inner land. And it is called ecotourism. And it's very beautiful because the people who stay here for holidays, according to the period of the year, of course, they can join cooking classes, the harvest, and it's a complete other quality of tourism. Anyway, I spoke about the type of houses. There are the oldest ones that are completely stone built. The best stone workers always came here from Western Crete. And of course from the wall. And not as low as now, because this is the half wall from the original one. So from outside always you could see in Crete, enormous wall and just one door. And when you came through that door, always in a fourth. That means the house was more protected. First of all, because of this history of Crete, it was much more cooler behind the wall. And of course, inside of the courtyard, a lot of shade to sit. And the shade is always being provided by beautiful grapes. And just the period, you can see they're not good anymore. The period is completely gone. They have the harvest for the wine grapes in September. Now we have the beginning of October, so still a few of them. These are for wine, by the way. They are here hanging. And in the past, they are still very huge. So the film you know already, my big Greek wedding. This is not a Greek wedding, but it's based on the weddings of Crete. We have still in Western Crete here, weddings where people, 1,500 to 2,000 are being invited. Isn't it amazing? They come all. We don't send them invitations, but in the villages, the priest 2 weeks before says, that and that date, Maria and Yanis will get married. When you hear that, you are invited. And we have the weddings most of the time in the summertime, in the weekend, in the evening.
Where the hell did Danny go?
He's inside getting a table. You know that.
No, we don't.
You should do. He's right ahead of you.
One with fresh cheese and one with wild spinach, and Gruyere cheese and West dried. So, the indoor guide will come in a few minutes. Enjoy it. And
These are wraps, so be careful.
The installation to make wine, and there we have an alambique, a distillery kettle, where people make their Cretan drink, their alcohol, their raki. Or do it. Here. So here inside there is a pot out of copper like this one, where we put the fermented grape rests. We then close hermetically, and below we make fire with wood. At a certain moment. Product, mechanical method, so it is consequently 100% natural product. It is the juice of the olive paste and nothing more. Everything starts with a heart.
I guess these are the olive oil barrels, all right?
I think these are wine. This is like wine.
Okay.
How can you recognize a good quality? You shake the bottle well and you look at the bubbles. Shake it well. It goes better against the light, and then you can see small bubbles going up very slowly. Can you see it? Yes. Yes. That is the best quality. When you do it with low quality, you will see big bubbles going up very fast and then stop. And that is very logical because an extra virgin olive oil is always thicker. That is it only. It's very easy, very simple, but it is efficient, and you can check it out and you see it immediately. This is extra virgin olive oil. Okay. So you don't have
Tiny and aromatable. The olives from Crete, they belong to the family Olea europea, Coronaceae. They're tiny, tiny, tiny. You can't eat them. Walk down to the right and you will see it. It's amazing for taking pictures. Yes? Have a stroll around, make your pictures, and we will see you then in time this time. Back and forth. Olive press with the arches is amazing. Walk to the right to the gate.
Monastery.
Yep. Where's the press? I decided to do it.
Oh yeah.
All right there, folks, we are now back in the room. I'm sorry for the wind, but we are back on our room at our balcony, and we are at full sail, as you can see. What's the term? Full speed ahead.
Full speed ahead.
Those are all drones.
Yep, that's yours.
Well, I think this is a good spot to end this particular episode. Again, thanks for watching. Come back and see us. And now it's time to say good night.
Now it's time for us to get to getting.
Get to getting.
See y'all.
See you, everybody.
We know what we have, let's hold on tight.
We hope you enjoyed this video. Unfortunately, like Everett said, we lost a lot of our footage. It makes us sad because it's also part of our memories. So we hope you enjoy some of the still shots that we were able to provide, but trust us, a trip to Athens and Saudi Crete was really a nice time, especially Crete. That was one of my favorites.
Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, please give us that thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.
And please ring that bell so you know when new content drops.